Welcome to the PortalConnect online training tutorial on how to navigate and use messages in PortalConnect. The information you will see in the video is purely fictitious and used for training purposes only. If you receive notification that you have a new secure message in your PortalConnect inbox, please log into your PortalConnect account and select the Messages tab next to Home. This will display your inbox with all messages received from the practice you attend. Click on the message to review the contents of the message. If you wish to reply to the message, select the Reply option with the arrow displayed at the top of the message. You can also mark the message as unread and archive the message or print the message if you wish. If you have archived a message, it will not be deleted, but it will go into your archived folder. If you would like to write a new message to your doctor, select the green Compose button. When composing a message, you must enter in the doctor's last name, and you will see the option to select that doctor from the drop-down menu once you start typing in the To field. Select the doctor from the drop-down menu, then enter in your subject title of the email. You can compose your email in the text box and have the option to bold your font, make your font italic, or underline the font. You also have the option to add an attachment to your messages from your computer by selecting Browse Computer Files, or you can add an attachment from your library files in your PortalConnect account by selecting Browse Library Files. Once you are finished writing your message, select the blue Send button on the bottom right-hand side of the message. Once the message has been sent, you should see a brief pop-up stating Message Sent. If you would like to double check that your message has successfully been sent, go to your Sent folder. In this folder, you will see all messages you have previously sent to your doctor. That concludes our training tutorial on how to navigate and use messages in PortalConnect.